Hi everyone, I'm back with a second update related to the development of our personal income tax workflow. Today I wanted to share with you a bit how the high-level workflow will look like and some decisions we've made along the way already. We want to start with gathering as much data as we possibly can from TaxonWeb and MyMinFin. That will already be available beforehand, before you send out the questionnaire to your customer. And we want to avoid the customer having to fill in data that is actually already available to you and taking away some of that frustration there. We're looking at very smooth ways to send out the questionnaire to your customers in bulk. For the interaction with your customer on the questionnaire, we are looking at reusing our pulse functionality. But we are actively looking at ways how we can improve the user experience there. We want to take them only to one page. We want to make sure that the login process is as easy as possible. And also when they land in Silverfin on that questionnaire, that it's very simple for them to complete it and give you all of the information that you need to prepare the tax return. All of that information, so the answers from your customer, the TaxonWeb data, will automatically flow through to the working papers where you as an accountant will be preparing the income tax return for your customer. So no more manual transfer of data anywhere. That's very important in that flow. We also are looking at ways to make it very visual for you to see at a glance, okay, what comes from TaxonWeb, what did my customer answer, what was in the tax return last year, to really help you in making that decision of what needs to be in the tax return this year. After all of that work is finished, we will make sure that that automatically flows through to a visualization of the tax return, a tax calculation, and of course also an XML file that you can then file on the government's websites, which will conclude the whole flow of filing the income tax return.